This is a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali crew cab, and it received a Stage 2 customization from our Dave Sinclair Customs team. In this video, we'll not only show our work, but our Customs Director, Dan Sinclair Jr. will jump on to answer some of your questions about the truck and our customization process. The Stage 2 customization includes the whole 9 yards for custom work, and that includes a full chrome delete. For this chrome delete, we chose to color match most of the chrome pieces. And that includes, but isn't limited to, things like the door handles and the keyless entry buttons, the tow hooks, mirror caps, and grille surround. For the other pieces, like the grille, the decals, and the 2500 pieces here on the bumper, we chose to use black paint to complement the downpour metallic. Now there are items that we don't paint, and that includes the side window trim and the running boards, both of which are vinyl wrapped. Since this truck was ordered with the 22-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, we just swapped out the lug nuts and the center caps. Then we added a set of 35-inch NITTO Trail Grappler tires and these black GMC brake calipers. Now this truck is sitting a little bit higher than a factory truck would, and that's because we installed a 3.5-inch lift kit from ReadyLift. In the back, this truck was also ordered with the Kicker Bluetooth tailgate stereo, but we also installed this roll and lock bed cover, which allows you to cover and uncover your truck bed with the push of a button. And another button push can illuminate the bed with this LED light. Around the truck, you'll notice that we've added these window guards and tinted the front windows to match the rear and put a 5% tint on the back windows. And let's not forget the fact that we tinted the turn indicators on the outside mirrors. To cap off this customization, we installed these GMC all-weather floor liners in the front and the second row of the truck.
Hi, I'm Dan Sinclair, the Sales and Customs Director at Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, and I'm here to answer some of your questions. Can you get auxiliary switches on these custom trucks? Unfortunately, the manufacturer doesn't provide those switches. However, we do partner with some vendors and can add them at a customer's discretion. Could you have used bigger wheels and tires without lifting the truck more? Unfortunately, we could not. A bigger tire would have caused a lot of rubbing, which we don't want our builds to have. Who picks the options and how do they make the choices? I pick the options, which is probably why I'm doing these question and answers, and I pick them based on what I think will look good and something a little different each time. How many hours or days does it take to complete a customization like this? Typically, start to finish is usually about 7 to 8 business days, plus an additional day we like to use for quality assessment, and then it's ready to be taken home. If you have any additional questions, drop them below in the comments. As always, feel free to reach out at Sinclair Customs at DaveSinclairAuto.com.
If you want to learn more about what it's like to actually customize your truck with us, check out this video about Josh, one of our clients from 2021, who had his black out his 2500 Denali after seeing one of our custom Yukons at a Kansas City Chiefs training camp.